What's going on? Hey!
What's up, Al? I did too. Everybody gonna be like,
You're gonna go viral.
hey, go viral.
Hey, Al, don't post that, bro.
No?
Don't do that to you.
Hey, it's too late. Hey,
the sticker and all that, bro.
hey, what happened at the corner right here?
Hey, I put you the sticker.
What happened at the corner? You guys were over there and then we came back over here. Oh, it was her. Oh, she's back. Is she back?
She's back.
She's badass, you know that, right?
Yep, so is.
That's Davis, Morales, this too.
I gotta bounce off.
All right. My friend Morales. Hey, can you fist bump? You're bad.
What's up, Al?
You're badass. I would say she's badass.
Take care, Al.
You too. Davis,
Hey,
what's going on?
How are you, man?
I know. It's been so long.
Yeah?
Hey, Davis.
Yeah, it's been a while. Where you been, man?
So I guess it was just some weird